Okay, we're here on stand at CES 2020 in Las Vegas with Tim Waldron from Intelizzz App. It's a fantastic new product. Tell us about the product then.
Good morning, Mark. This is Intelizzz App. Intelizzz App is an asset retrieval device. It sits within the tracking market. But whereas conventional tracking devices emit a constant signal, Intelizzz App sleeps for 23 hours and 58 minutes a day, waking only to transmit a tiny package of data. What that means is that it's virtually undetectable to car thieves who would have your vehicle away. So it very much focuses on retrieving an asset once it's been stolen. The other key point of difference is that whereas the vast majority of tracking devices available today come with quite a hefty monthly subscription, Intelizzz App is subscription free. You pay a one-off upfront cost of around about £150 retail in the UK, and that's it. We guarantee 3 years of battery life, 3 years of warranty, 3 years of peace of mind that if your vehicle's stolen, you'll get it back again.
And what have been the kind of difficulties in getting a product like that off the ground?
Well, Intelizzz App is a thoroughly British product. It was conceived in the UK, designed in the UK. We've worked with British universities. We're working with British designers and manufacturers. That comes with challenges. We've had to source the right people to work with. We worked with some fantastic engineers at Nottingham Trent University. We're working with the award-winning UK Toolmaker, and we're now ready to go to market. Intelizzz App is a really whizzy little box of technology. Contained within inside it is a chip and an embedded eSIM that allows it to transmit across all the mobile networks, but also importantly for the future, for narrowband Internet of Things as well. It's got batteries in there that give it a minimum of 3-year battery life. It's a cutting-edge bit of tech in a really nice little package.
And if you wanted to protect one of your assets, where would you put it?
You can literally put it wherever you like. It's waterproof to a rating of IP68, which means it can go anywhere outside or inside of a vehicle. It also transmits a signal to a depth of 9 meters underwater. So it has huge application across the marine sector as well. So your jet skis, your boats, your trailers, your caravans, and it can literally go anywhere within a vehicle. It can go in the engine bay, it can go in the boot, it can go in a wheel arch, it can go anywhere within the vehicle. You will still get a signal.
And why would you not want it to be transmitting 24/7? I mean, what's the benefit of this turning on and off again?
Well, the benefit is that when you look at tracking devices, you go on Amazon, for example, you search for tracking devices. One of the sponsored products that will come up is a 30 quid bit of tech that's a tracker detector. And all car thieves do is run these devices over a vehicle, work out where the tracker is within it, break in, rip it out or disable it and drive the vehicle away. So a tracking device is great if you want to know where your vehicle is. If you want to get it back once it's been stolen, it's practically useless. By sleeping for 23 hours and 58 minutes a day, Intelizzz App is virtually undetectable to those who would want to steal your car.
Fantastic. And have you had it out in any vehicles? Or, what has the testing been on it? Did you get good results?
Absolutely, yes. So we produced a prototype for this. We've tested it in the field for 12 months with one of our clients who has a hire fleet of 1,000 vehicles. Put it in 1,000 of those vehicles. Over the last 12 months, that client has had 75 vehicles stolen. As a result of Intelizzz App, it's got all 75 back. That compares to a national average of just 45% retrieval rate across the UK of stolen vehicles. This has really wide application. The size of the device at the moment is determined by the batteries. As battery technology improves, the batteries get smaller, so this device will also get smaller. But we're also looking at broader applications as well. For example, within the freight industry, within supply chain logistics, we're looking at rescaling this device so that it can work in multiple sectors, in multiple verticals.
How does the user actually sort of communicate to it? Is there an app? Is there a website?
Yeah, absolutely. So for individual users, there's an app that you download onto your phone. For fleet managers, there's a desktop, and you can manage multiple fleets. So this is perfect for corporate fleets, for hire fleets, even for flotillas of boats, for example. So we've designed it to be multi-use, both for individuals and corporate fleet managers.